Hello, thinkers. Welcome to another episode on Thinkers Books. I'm your host, Robert N. Jacobs, and today we're diving into a journey of self-discovery, inner peace, and spiritual growth. We're talking about none other than The Untethered Soul by Michael A. Singer. So, let's get started, shall we? The Untethered Soul is a profound guide that takes us on an exploration of our consciousness, helping us understand our minds and our relationship with our thoughts and emotions. It's a book that challenges us to look within, to untie ourselves from our ego, and to experience life in its fullest form. The book starts with Awakening Consciousness, where Singer introduces the concept of observing our thoughts and emotions without attachment. He emphasizes the importance of being a spectator of our own minds, rather than getting entangled in the never-ending chatter. In Experiencing Energy, Singer guides us through understanding the energy flow within us, how our hearts are the center of this energy, and how negative emotions or experiences can block this flow. He provides practical techniques to release these blockages and let the energy flow freely. Freeing yourself is all about liberation from fears, insecurities, and past traumas. Singer encourages us to face these fears head-on, not to eliminate them, but to understand and accept them, which in turn will free us from their control. In Going Beyond, Singer explores the concept of transcendence, urging us to step beyond personal boundaries and embrace the infinite possibilities of the universe. He teaches us to tap into a state of pure awareness, where we become one with the world around us. Finally, in Living Life, Singer offers practical ways to apply these concepts to our everyday lives. He emphasizes that enlightenment is not a destination, but a journey. He encourages us to live in the present moment, free from the burdens of past regrets and future anxieties. From this enlightening read, here are my top 5 takeaways. 1. Observation over engagement. Singer emphasizes the importance of becoming an observer of our thoughts and emotions instead of getting entangled in them. This means stepping back and watching our thoughts flow by like a river, without getting swept away in the current. This practice helps us realize that we are not our thoughts or feelings, but the consciousness that observes them. It's a powerful way to detach ourselves from unnecessary emotional turmoil and maintain inner peace. 2. Energy flow. The book highlights how our hearts are the center of our energy flow. Negative emotions or experiences can create blockages, disrupting this flow and leading to distress or discomfort. Singer provides practical techniques, such as mindfulness and meditation, to release these blockages and restore harmony and balance within ourselves. 3. Face your fears. Singer encourages us to confront our fears and insecurities head-on. This doesn't mean eliminating them, but understanding their roots and accepting their presence. By doing so, we free ourselves from their control and open ourselves up to growth and new experiences. It's a process of self-discovery and self-acceptance that ultimately leads to liberation. 4. Embrace transcendence. This point is about stepping beyond personal boundaries and embracing the infinite possibilities of the universe. Singer talks about reaching a state of pure awareness where we become one with the world around us. It's about transcending the confines of our physical existence and tapping into the limitless potential of our spirit. 5. Live in the present. Finally, Singer emphasizes the importance of living fully in the present moment. He guides us to let go of past regrets and future worries, which often rob us of the joy of the present. By focusing on the here and now, we can experience life more fully and find happiness in every moment. So that's The Untethered Soul for you, thinkers. This book is a key to unlocking a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It's a guide to living life untethered, free, and in the present moment. As Singer puts it, the purpose of life is to grow spiritually. It's to learn, evolve, and expand. And with that, I leave you to reflect on your own journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And remember, keep thinking, keep growing, Until next time, this is Robert N. Jacobs signing off. Thank you.